Okay, friends, today we are going to discuss on a very important topic that is call, notice, and term money. Friends, as we know that money market instruments are those instruments in for a, in which we can invest or borrow for a period of less than 1 year. And call money, notice money, and term money are one of the important. Okay. Sorry. Call money, notice money, and term money are the important money market instruments. But these instruments are used by the commercial banks. And as we know, the investment for a period of less than 1 year. So all three investments in call money, notice money, and term money, they are used for a period of less than 1 year. Call money is very important constituent of Indian money market. It is a market where money is borrowed or lent on demand, has a maturity ranging between 1 day and 2 weeks. So it's call money and notice money and term money. These are the three instruments differentiated on the basis of time period. If we borrow or lend money for a single day, it is called call money. And the duration of notice money is 2 to 14 days or 2 days to 2 weeks. And term money has a more than 14 days up to 1 year. And call money, notice money market, and term money market, these are also called interbank call money market, interbank call money market, because the transaction between two banks, one bank is borrower, one bank is the lender. The main purpose of the call notice market is to facilitate the commercial banks to bridge the gap of shortfall of money for large amounts of RBI such as CRR and SLR. Friends, as per the guidelines of the RBI, all the scheduled commercial banks have to maintain the CRR and SLR. And to maintain the CRR and SLR, the banks need the money for a very short time period sometimes. Then the banks fulfill this requirement by issuing the call notice money and term money market. The difference among call money, notice money, and term money is on the basis of the time period or maturity of the borrowing and lending. First, we will discuss about the talk about the call money. Call money is a money borrowed or lent for a single day and repaid on the next working day. Friends, call money is also called intraday transaction because when banks need money for a very short period, and this period may be a 1 day and single day money required, the bank use this instrument called money. One bank borrow from another bank. For example, State Bank of India need money and State Bank of India is borrowing from the PNB for single day and the money will be repaid in the next day, excepting the holidays or Sunday. Suppose the bank is borrowing money on Friday and Saturday, Sunday are the holidays, then this money will be refund or next working day. Second one is the notice money. Notice money when banks need money for a period of 2 days to 14 days. Then banks use this notice money instruments to borrow or to lend other banks. And there is no collateral required in these types of the requirement. They are very short term in nature. And third is term money. If funds are transacted for a period of more than 14 days, then it is called term money. All scheduled commercial banks, cooperative banks, and primary dealers are the borrowers and lenders in the call and notice money market. Friends, NBFCs, non-banking financial institutions, are not permitted to transact in call notice market since 2005, as per the guidelines of RBI. Important lenders in the call notice market, again the commercial banks, cooperative banks, and primary dealers. This was all about the call money market, notice market, and term market. Friends, thank you.